Hello friends and welcome to Zeenat's Creations again. So in this video we are going to learn the easiest and the fastest way to make this beautiful crochet booties. These are really very comfortable. The red one you can get the videos link in the description box, and in this video we will learn this yellow one with a white color bow. This is really very cute. So for making this booty, I am giving you the instructions for a 6-month-old baby. Okay, you can just increase and decrease the size according to the age of your baby. Here you can see it is approximately 3.5 inches sole. Okay, so here we are taking a crochet hook of 13 number, and now we will just start by making how many chains? 11 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. Okay, now we will chain 2, and in the third chain we will make a double crochet like this. Again in the same chain we will put one more double crochet. Okay, and then we will put 9 times double crochet in one chain. Okay, in one chain we will put one double crochet, and this we will done 9 times from here to here. At the last we will left with one chain only. Okay, here you can see how I have done that. And in the last chain we will make 6 double crochets. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and that's all. Again 9 times we will put one double crochet in one chain like this, from here till here. And we are again on the last chain. Here we will make 3 more double crochets. 1 2 I have just repeated it. Okay, 3 times. You have to make actually for 3 times only. We have to make 6. Okay, so we have to make 6 double crochet in the last chain in total. Okay, like this. That clip was repeated. Okay, now again you will understand the pattern. Here we will have only 6 chain in the last stitch. Okay, now again we will put 2 double crochets together in the next stitch like this, and then we will put 1 double crochet in next 9 stitches like this. 1 2 like this. It's done. Okay, now in the next 6 chains we will make 2 double crochets in a single chain, 1 and 2. I will show you one more time. Again like this, 1 and 2 in the same chain. Like this we will make on 6 chains, and again we are on this corner after completing the 6. Now we will make 6 double crochets 9 double crochets single time till here. 1 double crochet in one stitch 9 times. Again we are left with 5 more chains or stitches. Here we will put the 2 double crochets together. 1 2 3 4 5 is this one, and 6th we have made, and it is done. Now we will just join the ends by making a slip stitch like this. This is our sole, which is completed. Now we will chain 3, and let's start with the upper part. Make 1 double crochet in one stitch, black loops only. Okay, we have to use back loops only. Here you can see there are 2 loops, front loop and the back loop. So we will be putting the double crochet in the back loops only. Okay, this will give a perfect shape to our booties like this. Skip this front loop. From the back loop, make double crochets, 1 double crochet in one stitch. Repeat till the end, and this is done. Wow, this color is really very beautiful. Now just make a slip stitch. Wow. 1 2 3 chains, and now we will make 9 double crochets. These 3 chains will also be counted as a double crochet, so we will make 8 more double crochets. In total we will have 9 double crochets. See, it is done. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are done, and now we will make 1 double crochet using 2 stitches, and I will show you how. Okay, this step we will repeat 8 times. Just take upon the yarn, go underneath the stitch and take out the loop. Again take over the yarn, go under the stitch and take out a loop. Now we will have 3 loops on our crochet hook and put them all in a one stitch. Again do the same. Okay, like this, 1 loop, take another one also, 2nd loop, and put all 3 loops in a single chain like this. Again 1 loop, 2nd loop, and now all 3 loops together. This is how we have to do total 8 times. And now we are on the other corner, and from here till end we will make 1 double crochet in every next stitch. Okay, so this is done. Again we will join the ends by making a slip stitch to the 3rd chain of the first 3 chains which we have made as a double crochet. Okay, again chain 3 and again make double crochet 9 times. Here also chain 3 in the starting will also be counted as a double crochet. And now we will repeat the same pattern 4 times. Which pattern? Making a double crochet using 2 stitches like this, as we have made in the earlier round. Here we will have to make 4 times only. So now I have completed these also, and now till end we will make 1 double crochet in every next stitch like this. 1 2, and like this we will repeat till end. Okay, Here also we will join the ends by making a slip stitch, and that's done. And now we will just make a proper border by making these slip stitches on all the chains. See, this will give our booties a perfect look, and the finishing will also look very nice. So we are done with the finishing one also. Just do the last slip stitch and take out 2 chains or 1 chain as per your wish. Cut out the extra yarn like this, and our booty is ready. Now we will decorate it with the help of a bow. We will also learn how to make that bow in this video only, so stay tuned till the last end. Okay, and now I'm just hiding this extra yarn so that it will not look so odd on the socks. Wow, this is done. How cute it is looking out, and these are perfect gift option to a newborn baby. Now we will take one white color yarn, same crochet hook, and now we will chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 double crochets. Now we will chain 2. Again from the third chain we will start putting a half double crochet. 1 half double crochet in every next stitch like this. Till end we will do the same. Again on the next round we will start by making 2 chains and start putting 1 half double crochet in every next stitch. Like this. So we have completed our second row also. We will repeat this 4 times. Half double crochet in every next stitch. 4 rows we will do the same pattern, and now we will just make a border of this to give it a perfect finishing by making a single crochet on all 4 sides. Like this. We have to make 1 single crochet in every stitch all over the 4 sides so that the bow will have a perfect shape and a perfect look. And at the end we will join the ends by making a slip stitch, and see, the main part for the bow is ready, 1 rectangle. And now we will make one more part of the bow by making chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9. Okay, and now in the third chain we will put an 1 half double crochet in every next stitch. That means we will have total 7 half double crochet in this round. This is a 1 round pattern only. Just make a chain and take out the extra yarn. Keep the yarn extra and cut out the yarn. And this is done. Put the end in the needle, and this is on the needle now. Just keep this strip on the middle of this rectangular part like this. Rotate this part and just attach this bow to the middle of our crochet booties. Just see it carefully and repeat the same. You can use these booties for a party wear dress. You can match it with any party wear dress. You can make it with black color yarn, brown color yarn, any color of your choice with a matching bow. And these are really very comfortable, warm, washable. So this is a perfect gifting item for a newborn baby. And I hope you have liked this video. I have made my best to give out the best explanation. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Do mention your views and suggestions in the comment box, and then please share this video to all your crochet groups and all your crochet friends. So this is ready and I am just in love with this design. This is really very simple and a very unique design. Here you can see the details of these booties. These are really very easy and very much beautiful. So by this I am ending this video. Bye bye friends, and stay tuned to our next video. Bye bye.